A professional website and click generating funnels, they deserve a custom domain so that it's easy for your customers to find you and do business. Now, connecting a domain, it can seem overwhelming, but it's actually easier than you think. So today I'm going to guide you through the process step by step in your brand pack built on high levels so that your domains are up and ready to impress. Let's jump in.
All right, let's connect your domains to your marketing OS. You're going to do that by hitting settings down here at the bottom. And then you're going to come in and you're going to click domains over here on the left. And now if you were watching the email setup video, you saw us talking about connecting dedicated domains. The process is kind of similar. And again, the reason you want to connect a domain is you have the ability here in the marketing OS to host websites or funnels or all of those different things, and those you need domains. What's great though is you can connect, like I said, you can connect them to your websites, your store, your webinar. You can do a client portal where it lets your clients log in. You can even just do like different domains that forward somewhere else. But let's go ahead and just do this one. This is standard. We're gonna say that I'm just going to put my actual domain rather than make up some domain that somebody else probably owns. So betterstory.marketing. Now then it's going to ask, do I want to add the www also? Usually you do. You'd hit continue depending on where your domain is registered. This can actually go through automatically. Now I'm not going to do that because I actually have this linked to another account. But you can also come in here and go, hey, this is how you would set it up manually by adding these different DNS entries. If you're confused here, watch that video, then you'd verify it. All right, I'm gonna back out of this and say, wait, no, I don't wanna do that. But what's awesome is, again, you can connect multiple domains in here. So I see this all the time. Literally last week was talking to an entrepreneur who was like, well, I have this thing and I have this other thing. And what's great is, if you want to experiment with a new business idea or a new offer, you can get a domain just for that and then link it to a funnel. And so you could have, if you have one domain in here linked to one funnel or one website, or you have 10 domains in here linked to 10 different funnels, or you have 100. What's awesome is it doesn't cost you any different. We let you host as many of those as you want in here. So I've seen a lot of times where, entrepreneurs will use this as also kind of an experimenting to see, okay, instead of me setting up a whole new thing, I'm just going to run this one little landing page at a different domain and see if this offer is compelling to my ideal clients. So I want to just kind of call that out as a use case for adding extra domains to your marketing OS. If you have any questions or you're running into any trouble, as always, just hit the OS help request and we'll help you get unstuck.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.